Hi besties, thank you so much for watching this video and welcome to my channel. I want to show you how to create a chocolatey brown cut crease makeup look with glitter. I'm sure you will love it and everything is easy. You can learn this eye makeup in less than 4 minutes. So let's get started. To start, I use a chocolate brown eyeshadow as a base. You can clearly see the intensity of its color. I apply the eyeshadow all over my eyelid to completely cover it. Then make sure to blend the eyeshadow well to achieve a smooth result without any harsh lines. I also apply the same eyeshadow along my lower lash line. Next, I use the shimmery eyeshadow with a brown undertone, which looks absolutely stunning. I apply it to the outer corner of my eyelid and blend it towards the center. I know that blending the eyeshadow can be a bit time consuming, so I demonstrated this part at a higher speed. I blend the eyeshadow well to ensure there are no visible lines. I also apply the eyeshadow along my lower lash line just like in the previous step. Next, I use a concealer. Take a small amount of concealer on a flat brush and perform the cut crease technique. Start by drawing a curved line from the inner corner of your eyelid and continue towards the center. Additionally, I'm fixing the lines to ensure a cleaner result and covering the inside with concealer. I use my finger to blend the harsh line in the center of my eyelid. Next, I use this awesome disco glitter eyeshadow that I'm totally obsessed with. I apply it on the cut crease using a flat brush. It looks absolutely stunning and gives a gorgeous sparkle to your makeup. Next, I use the same brown eyeshadow again with a smaller brush. I make the color on top of the cut crease more intense. This helps to make the cut crease stand out more clearly. Now it's time for the eyeliner. I start from the outer corner of my eyelid and draw a wing line, extending it towards the center. This makeup look is quick and easy, and I'm sure it will be perfect for special occasions. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. This makeup tutorial is easy and beautiful. I encourage you to try it even if you are a beginner. If you found it helpful, please smash that like button or leave your comments below. If you are interested in makeup content, I upload tutorial videos every week, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Since 2016, Squid tell me 150. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, girl.